I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a vocal warm-up that would be great for daily use or anytime you need to warm up your voice and do some vocal exercises. Let's get started. Take a moment to relax your breathing and come into an aligned position. Take a couple of low, slow breaths and release any tension that you don't need. Let's start today's singing practice with a zh sound. This semi-occluded sound will encourage full vocal fold closure and allow us to focus on relaxation. We're going to glide like zh. Here we go. Before we continue, I'd like to remind you that my Vocal Warmup app with guided warm-ups and exercises for singers is now available in the app and Google Play Store. It's called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen, and the link and information is below. You can take me with you and support my work. I hope you'll check it out. Let's bring in a little bit more vocal movement now as we sing on D, like D. Here we go. Now we can sing an exercise that will move from a focused and efficient sound to an open vowel. I'll start with hng-ee and move to hng-a or hng-aw depending on the range. It sounds like this. Hng-ee. Use caution that a Y sound doesn't sneak in like hng-ee. We just want hng-ee. Here we go. Hng-ee. sing a descending pentascale on vedove, vedove. I'm trying to keep plenty of relaxation in the mouth with rounded vowels. Here we go. Vedove, sing on money, like money, 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 money. The singable M and N combined with this E give us plenty of efficiency and the sensation of feeling vibration at the front of the face. Let's try it. Money, 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 money. 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 Now I'd like to sing an exercise that is great for crossing registers. Its best use is for the middle range, so feel free to move octaves as needed or pause and continue if you'd like to go higher or lower. Note the breath pattern. That is important. We'll sing on the sound do, like do, 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 do. Your turn. Do, 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 do. I'd like to do a major triad arpeggio on the word go, like go. This is a good time to focus on a rounded and relaxed feeling in the vocal tract. Let's try it. Go, 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 go. to whistle register there, try to sing with no judgment, and it's okay if your vowels modify a little bit, usually toward an ah. Finally, let's end with an octave arpeggio. You can do this exercise on any number of sounds or words, so feel free to mix it up and use different syllables or sounds. I'm going to sing on lay la, like lay la. Here we go. Lay la, lay la, lay la, lay la. It's always a pleasure to sing with you. Thank you for joining me. I do hope you'll check out my Vocal Warmup app. You can check that out at the links below. I'll see you next time.